What's going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Built. Thanks for tuning back into the channel. Today I'm kind of gonna make it more of like a POV video. I'm gonna take the Altezza out to a meet and I'm gonna get some POV driving on the way there and see if maybe even I walk around the meet with the GoPro on, kind of give like a little POV meet action, see how you guys like that. So right now I'm gonna get the car cranked on and we're gonna head out. For those of you who may be new subscribers, what's going on? This is my Lexus Is300. It is front clipped, so it's right hand drive, has the 3SGE beams, it's boosted, and it's a 6-speed manual from the Altezza from Japan, RS200. And yep, that about sums it up. So let's head out. Alright guys, what's up? We are officially on our way to the meet.
It's just right-hand drive?
Yeah.
Holy shit. That's a real Altezza?
No, it's converted. So technically it's still legal.
Shit, okay.
Thanks, brother. Well, that was convenient start of the video. Right when I started filming, the guy was like, yo. Right-hand drive problems. Man, why there's so much traffic? Miami's always loaded with traffic. Backfires under the overpass.
You have failed.
I think it's back there. up, dude?
I was like, oh, of course, Lexus. Oh, that Lexus.
What's up, dog? Trying to save a space for Andy also. We'll park right here on this corner. Let's go take a lap, see what's out here. We got the FRS. There's some of the imports by here. Damn. Low as hell, guys. Mad low. Let's see, let's take a lap. I know Andy's on his way already. Got some whips out here. Damn. Madman. Here we got the Z's. This is the Z from the last meet. And this is the Z that has the Avids. Uh-oh, look who's pulling up. Yo. Pick a spot and I'll park up with you. I brought the beans.
This shit's hard, bro. Thank you. Manual? Yeah. Nice. Well, you got the big screen with all the numbers.
Yeah, he's a fast guy.
Bro, keep her safe. Thank you.
Park up, home skillet. Pick a spot.
Anywhere you suggest. I guess way at the end by that light over there.
Yeah, do it, dale. The madman with the half and half Tesla. I mean, it's cool, I guess. It's whatever, bro. Bro, why do you have a computer in your car, bro?
Yo, that's illegal.
Are you a cop? They look so good parked together.
Ouch.
It's okay, it's a super. A couple?
Yeah, just a couple of cones.